Our correspondent Dharamprol Kaur has been closely tracking the developments from the ground. Let's listen in. She spoke to some students protesters at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi who are celebrating Dharmendra Pradhan's resignation, and this is what they had to tell us. Let's listen in.
Following the announcement of Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan for his resignation, there is a very loud, jubilant atmosphere here at the protest site in Jantar Mantar. Now, we are at the back side of the stage where hundreds and thousands of people have gathered who are clapping, chanting, still sloganeering and celebrating the announcement that was made by Dharmendra Pradhan. Now, the second part of the conversation is what begins. There's also later in the day a protest that will be done by the Cockroach Janata Party at the Delhi Police headquarters regarding the accusations that they have levied at police officials for trying to intimidate students and volunteers from coming to the site while carrying essential supplies and also stopping people from coming here. So that part of the conversation is still ongoing between the CJP and the security agencies and officials. But having said that, we now move to the second part of this conversation, which is the systemic overhaul of the education system. From this point on, there needs to be a conversation in Parliament, which begins its second week of the monsoon session on Monday. So it remains to be seen how that session opens up between the government and the opposition in both houses of Parliament. Also, there are two more demands by the Cockroach Janata Party, which they're saying have to be met with a written assurance by the government, and only then will this protest end. So demand number one that is still pending from the government side in terms of confirmation is financial compensation for victims of the NEET paper leak who died by suicide. And the second is no legal punitive action to be taken against the youth protesters who have been here at Jantar Mantar protesting and asking for their demands. But this clearly is a big win for the youth and for a movement called the Cockroach Janata Party, which began as a satire online, and it ended up translating into everything that we've been seeing here for the past few days and weeks. Here at Jantar Mantar with video journalist Abhishek, this is Dharamjot Kaur for WION World is One. We have a UPSC aspirant here with us who we're going to talk to quickly. What is your quick resignation announcement, reaction, and what were your expectations?
Madam, this is a very pernicious system that needs to be removed from this country, and I believe that the problem does not lie with just Dharmendra Pradhan. The problem is much deeper than that. The problem lies with Jiten Singh also. The problem lies with other ministers like Finance Minister Ms. Sitharaman also, and the minister and this problem is now spread throughout this government. And this government is run by only two people, as we know it very clearly. This country knows it. So if you have to remove this system, if you want to make fundamental changes to this system, then the man sitting at the center should be removed, and hence we do not stop here, we will not stop here, and we will only go and demand the resignation of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, because once the Prime Minister resigns, the entire Council of Ministers has to resign. So you see, that is the only way out.
Spoken to 100 of people here, and my intuitions was very right, okay, within 3 days. But when in the afternoon we were inside, we were speaking to the student and having a good fun, and we were dancing, and we were but there was a tear shell. A gas was blasted a 6th time. So people were panic. I said, what again they are going to make a mistake? To hijack Sonam Wangchuk and the brutality on the 20th, that was again a surprise.